Hey, welcome back. Steve Areno Cool Kits, Rio Grande Models, Hon3, Westside Tank Car number 5, Part 2. Take 1. Boom. Okay, as mentioned on previous section, we're working on this old model, which I found up on the internet. We've been working away, and we've made quite a bit of progress. Here, show what it looks like at this point. Before we move on, can basically cover up here. So what we've done is we managed to build the entire bottom, get the trucks on there. Just set that up there for seeing how it looks, kind of stage of the work. But the key thing here is we went ahead and put on our KD Hon3 couplers, built those up and attached them into, and bam, wouldn't you believe it? I mean, look at that. Just perfect. Look at that. And that, again, just like on a previous kit, shows you what is in the kit and what can be accomplished if you just go slow and steady and use your micrometers. And the same story on this end with no additional adjustment. It just fell together like a glove. And so just fantastic. And I applaud Rio Grande Models Limited for making an excellent kit with excellent fit and finish. If you just follow the instructions and go slow, the results can be achieved. It's an older style kit. It's all white metal in here, and on the bolsters there's these pins in here that you spread out, and you have to do a little extra fiddling and tuning to make sure that your trucks swing freely. But when everything sets down, it sets down just perfect, and you have lots of clearance and free rolling space, so it's going to be just perfect. And that's what we like, because, very similar to what I say in building models, no amount of paint covers bad fit. Well, no amount of power in scenery will cover bad rolling stock that doesn't roll right on your model. You want to go slow and steady when you're building up each individual car, because once assembled into a train, you hate to be dealing with derailments and pull off the track and you name it, whatever. It's all the fun out of your railroad modeling, when you try to run your train. So anyway, looking good so far, and we will just keep moving. All right, guys, bye now. Here's a progress update. We've installed some eyelets I found in the parts box, which I think, they suggested on the instructions getting some aftermarket eyelets. I had these in the parts box, so I decided to go ahead and use these rather than bending the wire. I think it gives it a little cleaner look, and then they give you some brass strip material so you can make the hold down straps. These are positioned to go over the bolsters here and here when installed, so I kind of fitted up, make sure I was in the right ballpark. And then you cut this 4x12 material here to form support coffin tank. So that's all working really great, and everything is looking good. Okay, bye. Folks, one more update here before we put this away and wait for warmer weather in spring for the final painting. I've got all of the assembly and a prime coat on the model. So it's been a great little project. So here's how we look. This is theirs, and this is mine. So let me zoom in here a little bit, let you guys see what we've got. Okay, again, theirs, prototype, and mine. I went ahead and sort of put a little ink wash on the box. It looks a little strange right now, a little heavy-handed, because we're just in prime coat here, but I think once we get the color on it, it'll be fine. Real great little kit. So that's the view from this side, and then we pause and come back for the other side. Okay, so here is this end view that they supply in the prototype pictures, and here is mine. Yeah, I've had a lot of fun building this kit. It came out a lot better this time around. I'll kind of go through here real quick and show you what I did that was maybe a little different. I went to the part box for this brass ladder back here. Used some brass stock here for hinges and latch, and or I should say hasp and a lock, and then hinges over here and here. Paper lid on top as they suggested, and a piece of bent wire for the spout lid handle right up here. Building this particular kit. Highly recommended if you guys can get your hands on one of these. I've seen a few of them come over time up there on the internet, and it's the kind of thing where you got to jump on it when you see it, and you're sort of buying into paying what the seller wants to ask. But that's where they've gone since Rio Grande Models Limited went out of business. All right, we'll talk to you later, guys. Bye for now.